You look so beautiful.
Sure, you want to?
I give you this ring as a symbol and pledge of my love for you and our covenant before God. You were good. I did it perfect.
I give you this ring as a symbol and pledge of my love for you and our covenant before God.
That's it. Yeah, good job. You did it. Yeah.
Got it.
Bling, bling.
Mackenzie, I've been so lucky to have you in my life for as long as I have. I've watched you grow and become the incredible woman you are today. As much as I love growing up with you, I hope DJ will have as much fun growing old with you.
I knew Mackenzie and DJ were a good fit when DJ brought Mackenzie to Christmas a couple years back, and she actually got him and Evie to wear matching pajamas to the Christmas. Now, if you guys know anything about DJ, this would not even be anything that he would conform to for any other person on the earth. So when he showed up in matching pajamas, I was like, oh shit, they're gonna get married.
We saw them together, we knew this was it. This was different. She didn't just make him happy, she made him better, more grounded, more open, and somehow funnier. We are so very, very proud of both of you. May your marriage be full of adventure, laughter, and the kind of love that feels like home.
We haven't been right for weeks.
By the authority vested in me as the minister of gospel of Jesus Christ, I pronounce you husband and wife. DJ, you may kiss your bride. Mr. and Mrs. DJ Spears.
We're on a losing streak. I guess I'll be losing sleep, trying to figure out where I went wrong. I know you're angry, but it's not my fault. We're just not right for love tonight, so I'll shut up.